In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix website. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along with confidence. Once you're in your Wix editor, look over to the left bar. That's the main toolbar you use to manage your site's structure and features. Click on the code icon there. This icon opens the workspace where your site's code lives, giving you direct access to the files that control how individual pages behave and display content. When the code area opens, you'll see a panel on the left showing the code files of each page. Think of this as your site's filing cabinet. Each page has its own folder or file set, and this layout helps you keep everything organized. Page-specific code affects only that page, while more general files can influence multiple parts of your site. Keeping the scope of your changes in mind will help you avoid surprises later. Next, select the page you want to work on from that left pane. With the file selected, the main editor opens to the right, and this is where you can start adding your custom HTML code. Type or paste your HTML carefully and make sure it's clean and valid. Clear structure, using proper tags and nesting, goes a long way toward preventing layout issues. If you're adding styles or scripts to support your HTML, keep them organized and well commented so you'll know exactly what each part does when you return to it later. As you edit, pay attention to the code editor's syntax highlighting and any inline hints. It's there to help you catch typos and mismatched tags early. If your HTML introduces interactive elements, keep accessibility in mind with proper alt text, labels, and logical heading order. Consistency helps too. Try to match your site's existing design system so your custom code blends seamlessly with the rest of your pages. If you're experimenting, start with small snippets and expand once you see the results you want. Keeping a brief note at the top of the file describing what the snippet does and why you added it will save you time in the future. And if something doesn't look right, don't hesitate to roll back your last change and adjust the markup incrementally. There you go. Once your HTML is in place within the selected page's code file, you've successfully added it to your Wix website. That's all. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with confidence.